We are going to continue with this chapter today in MATLAB. So it is a table. It is called as tables of data. So here a sample CSV file. CSV means it's a comma separated variable. It's a CSV file. It is another form of Excel file where the values are separated by commas. So here you have a CSV file having complete details of the performance of the English Premier League in 2015-16 season. So you could see the team name, home wins, home draws, home losses. Then the home goal for, so how many goals the team has put for the home side, how many goals against the home side the team has put, how many away wins, away draws, away losses, same way away goals for the team and away goals against the team. So we have this table contains the complete details of all the football teams in the English Premier League. Okay, so now we are going to, this entire module is going to focus on this one. So now see, each row contains the sessions data for one team. So row wise, if you take, you are going to have team details. And each column you see, it contains the team's record for the season. The column contains the record for the season. For example, the win, draws, losses, goals, for and against, and the home and away conditions. The two conditions are there, home and away. For home, you have 5 criteria. For away, you have 5 criteria. Criteria are same: win, draw, losses, goals for, and goals against. So these 5 you have for home matches as well as for the away matches. The next one, you can apply the different. If you want to find the total points got by the team, for every win, you have to multiply the number of wins by 12. So we have to add the home wins and away wins. And you are also for draw, also you have a point. So when you multiply all the wins by 3 and you add the number of draws, plus when you multiply all the wins by 3 for the away matches and add the number of draws, you get the total points. So we will see here, you have a summation. The total calculation, so total points will be calculated on that basis. And finally, you can even save this data as a table in MATLAB. For future, if you are going to use the same example for future, you can save this as a table in MATLAB, and whenever you require, you can retrieve and import the data in MATLAB, and you can perform the operations required. So in this chapter, you will learn how to store and work with tabular data using the table data type. So similarly, like array, vector, what we have seen logical yesterday, table is also data type in MATLAB, so which is used to store huge amount of data in the form of rows and columns. So we are going to see that. So we have a small video. Please look at the video.